Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Crown Royale box break number 7. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's the serial number. It's NE99176486. There's the NE. So let's get started with this break, everybody. Best of luck. Here we go, pack number 1. We have base and base. We have a Royal Lineage triple jersey card for the San Jose Sharks of Logan Couture, Ryan Clough, and Joe Thornton. It's a nice hit for San Jose. We have a Ruby Parallel hit for the Kings of Jonathan Quick, and base. So pack number 2. We have base and base. And we have a Mythology card for the LA Kings of Grant Fuhr. That card goes to the Kings. And a Lords of the NHL hit for the Devils of Zach Parise. And base. Pack 3. Yeah, base. Base. We have a rookie autograph for the Columbus Blue Jackets of David Savard. Decoy. And we have a rookie card for the Canucks of Jan Sauve. And base. And the final pack. Base. And we have a Calder Collections card for the Oilers of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. And we have a nice hit, All Kings Men Prime Jersey and Auto card for the Calgary Flames of Curtis Glencross. Number 9 out of 25. A nice hit for the Flames. And we have a hit for the Sharks of Doug Wilson. And then base. So for those that are interested, also we have some Panini Prime case and box breaks ending all this week. The product's released on Friday. We do have case break team style listed that's ending tonight. So if you're interested, check us out. And thank you very much again for watching. Hope to see you again next time.